Apollo Kinton asewo ko district lo Bukedia, Joel Mugenyi, Ngesi Abu, Kelimo Mary Akol, Kwape Atelekaran asewo Kanuka LOC5 Bukedia.
Akol Mary 79,692 votes. Lokwiski Abukarin 4,941 votes. Oite Sam Odeke 2,343. 2,343 votes. Accordingly, as the returning officer of Ikidia Electoral District, I declare Mary Akol, who has obtained the largest number of votes, winner for Ikidia Electoral District. Returning officer, Eugene Charles Ngore. For those that have won today, congratulations. Those who didn't go through, you have learned a lesson. Be blessed.
Na lem idararoi echelong loka LOC5 Bukedia, kosodete aseun bian, Mary Akol, ngesi esumonit ebe ebuni asom ayaun aipuch, ay morikikini kanu Apollo na district.
To my colleagues, let's come and work together for the good of Bukedia, and we shall develop our Bukedia we want. And also for the voters, I love my people, and I will still be loving my people and continue working and uniting them, peace, and also for the development.
Our core function was to enable and facilitate the electoral process, and we have achieved our main goal to make sure there was a peaceful and tranquil election process. But as such, our function as the Uganda Police Force doesn't stop today. We are still going to monitor election, post-election period, and to make sure there are no retaliations. And as such, we request the members to make sure not to accost others post-election. We don't advocate for post-election violence because it is possible. We shall be on ground to make sure it doesn't happen.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mungin, Ikidia District.